Let's create killer AI ads like this.
Today's Coco Mademoiselle, 1 spritz. Instantly elegant, clean.
Okay, Goalie just made gut health stupid easy. This little thing has prebiotics.
So let's talk about these gummies. I have seen these everywhere.
This thing's, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this bag. I am obsessed.
Okay, curly girls, I didn't know a scalp oil could feel this good. Like, I started using Aceta de Mosca.
After watching this video to the very end, you're going to be able to create this using 100% free AI tools. However, the biggest setback with the free AI video generators is watermark. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the most powerful tool that you can use to remove any watermark from any video. Let's get started. For us to create these AI UGC ads, we need to follow a couple of steps. The first step is to create an AI avatar. To do this, you have a couple of options. First, you can use the Dreamina CapCut, but I prefer to use the Google Image Effects. To create a UGC photo in Google Image Effects, first, let's generate a prompt using ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us an image of a woman talking to the camera. However, it's going to generate something that is a little bit generic. But if you want something that looks well polished like this, you can get inspiration from Instagram or Pinterest. Just go on Google, search bad girls Pinterest or bad girls Instagram, and tons of photos are gonna load. Just download the photo that you like and upload it in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt to generate a woman just like the one in photo. ChatGPT is gonna give you a prompt that you're gonna use to generate a killer UGC photo. Take that prompt, put it in Dreamina CapCut or Image Effects. Again, I prefer Image Effects because the photos in Image Effects are more realistic and out of this world. Once you have your UGC photo, you can take that photo and the product photo, you're gonna upload it in Nano Banana. You're gonna use Nano Banana to make the two photos. In other words, you're gonna ask Nano Banana to create a photo of a woman holding your product. And this is what I ended up with. Now that we have the photo of our avatar holding the product, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to generate the
audio for our UGC ad.
And for this one, we're gonna use the Elleven Labs. Elleven Labs has tons and tons of beautiful voices that you can use for UGC. Select the voice that you like the most and ask ChatGPT to give you a transcript of ad where the avatar will be talking about the product without being sleazy. This way, ChatGPT is gonna give you a transcript that will not sound like an ad. If you like the transcript, copy and paste it in Elleven Labs. And here generally, the Elleven Lab is gonna give you two versions of your audio. Select the audio that you like the most and let's move on to the next step. Let's now create the actual UGC. And for this one, we're gonna use a tool called Top View. It allows you to upload the photo and the reference video and generate a new video exactly imitating what the avatar in the reference video was doing. Just go ahead and sign up with Top View. And after signing in, you're gonna land on this platform. Add a prompt. In my case, I said generate an ad video from a product, replicating the content of the video I uploaded. Top View is gonna analyze and ask you a couple of questions regarding your product. After that, it's gonna start generating your video. Here's the video that I generated. This tool is gonna give you the video with audio. However, at this point, you may use another tool. You can use Runway, Halo, Kling, or Dreamina CapCut. And some of those video generating tools are gonna produce video without audio. Before we move on to the next step, I just wanna say I also try to do the same in Dreamina CapCut as well as the Creative Video. And these are the videos that I got. I also even tried to ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt and I pasted that prompt in Google Viewer 3 and this is the video that I generated. If you generate the video without sound or if you want to change the sound, for this one, we're gonna use sync.so. Once you sign up with the sync.so, upload your video and the audio you downloaded from Elleven Labs. If you want to change a video that has audio already, start by removing the audio using CapCut and then follow the above steps. Finally, let's remove the watermark, and for this one we're gonna use the Xdesign. Just upload the video. Xdesign is gonna remove all the watermark. If you don't like X design, you can also use the watermark remover. It's also gonna do an impeccable job. Here are some of the UGC ads that I generated in the process of making this video. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video to this far. Again, my target is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. Peace out.
Leather is so soft and the gold detailing makes it look super expensive.